Hi, you talking to me? Oh, lens cover, stupid. There we go. There's Mikey. Hi, Sugars. Hi, Sugar. Good morning. You're not going to talk to me now? Oh, look at you. Aren't you cute? Mikey. Look at that face. Look at that face. Michael. Hi. You're too busy watching the doggy, huh? I was hoping you would repeat the trick with the high chair. Yeah. Come on. Come on. What are you doing? Are you not going to talk to me? You gotta be standing all the time, don't ya? This is really bad filmography. Yes, it is. Shows your pretty face, though. There we go. Now you're talking. Yeah. Really? Then what happened? I don't believe you. I think you're making up stories. I think you're making up stories. I'm going to put you on